Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video of Deadlock. Well, it's the first video of Deadlock. We're gonna play some Street Brawl. Gonna start off with Graves, I guess. At least I hope. People are gonna connect. I think we're gonna try to get a spirit build working. Because they did change the 3 that it now puts Essence Theft on all summons. So I don't know if a gun build is gonna be as strong, but of course they want me to do it. Do we do it? I mean, we can just take extra stamina because we need it, and then we can just. Okay, guess we do Mystic Shot. Oh, we got enhanced. Now this is it. We can reroll because it's in their hands. We'll get another reroll and we get ricochet. So we're gonna go our gun build. We get some heads in there. Maybe a sneaky. No sneaky stun. I mean, we got a sneaky hit on her, and she got a sneaky ult on me, absolutely destroying my ass. Get the Apollo there. Or, yes. Okay, that was not that smart of me. Help our team out a little bit here. Okay, the heads are going to get in. Ooh, we might be able to get the victor. Okay, we got enemy character up in the sky. Got a little bit of damage on him. Oh, we got a dynamo. Oh, and he's... Hold on. Okay, L movement right there, my bad. But they can get him, yes. And yeah, we're gonna use Zipline Speed Boost to help our team. I think they might need a little bit of help. I think we're gonna crave up here with a sneaky... What is it called? Grasping hands up here. Okay, she got a sneaky ult on me. I did not want to jump on that. Okay, what is the Victor doing over here? Can we get some hits on him? You really did think you can hit me like that? Ooh! I'm getting lit up. They got the creeps! Oh my god. I think they got the round. We got a melee in here. Another maybe. No? The Victor really wanted the tower. We might be able to take it back. There's so many creeps. Oh my god. That is creepy. Let's get a gate over here. Didn't get anyone. Maybe not. Okay, we got the tower. Okay, let's get the yeah, let's get enduring speed so we can get a little bit speedy. I really don't want to get a lot of green items. Enhanced cap. I don't know why I said that like that, but I did. Okay, I don't know why am I doing this again? Yeah, because we're stealing weapon damage, that's right. Upgrade the heads too. Honestly, I should have max upgraded the heads. Sure of that. I don't know what that name's. I I play Graves a lot. I still don't know the ability names. Kinda crazy, no? Okay, I don't know how the movement works, so it's not my bad. Oh, we got immobilized on him. Feel like she's gonna ult. Okay, I don't. I try it, okay. Get some sneaky damage up in here, maybe. Where did Apollo go? Okay, he's just straight up back there now. Oh, that hit him. Nice, we got him before the reds. Before he got the ult. I'm gonna ult right here. Wall this off. Hit her. Ooh. He's gonna ult. Nice. Think. Did I destroy my ult or is it on? Can't really tell. It sees. I did see an Apollo. I think we might be able to shoot the tower right here. I should have not walked him around. Let me go back. Victor definitely has ult. Okay, I can't do anything about that. He wants my ass, but he does not get it. Even not. What is that weird? What? Oh my god. Oh, we might be able to get him. Okay, we got him. He got the ult. Oh. Okay, that is kind of bad for me. If they want my ass. Maybe get a chomp. Okay, and I got the tower. I don't know why I'm just... Wait, what? Superior cooldown. I forgot we're going for a gun build. Did we even have a good gun item there? Why do I only have one reroller? Kinda weird sometimes. Okay, we get Spell Slinger. I am kinda low sometimes. But I'm gonna get Spell Slinger. Gun build looking kinda juicy. Got enhanced capacitor. Is that how you say it? Got ricochet and spell slinger. Got some toxic bullets. Okay, almost. Forgot we had the first round. Thought we only have to walk to the defend. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Okay. He wants my ass. Now we can get a little freaky here. We have to start there. Okay. We might be able to. Okay. I don't know if that was good from you. Because I got you now. I think I gotta clear more those creeps. I got ricocheted. This one's trying to be sneaky, but it isn't. I don't know what happened to the mina up there. Get some heads on there. Okay, I completely missed that. Okay, nice. Okay, the mina left actually. Nice. It's looking pretty good for us. I mean, they are down one. She might come back. I'm not sure. We could get an Hunter's Aura. I think I'm gonna just get that. Ooh. I mean, bullet fast. Okay, but the... Okay, it's enhanced. I'll take it. Could have re-rolled it. And here, I think I'm just gonna go for a Spirit Burn. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a Spirit Burn. I think I'm gonna just do that, yeah. I'm gonna go for a Charf. Just gonna throw some deadheads into them. Mina's actually back. Okay. Let's see what do the Victor has refresh, I don't like seeing that. Okay, 400 damage from the Mina, that's kind of crazy. I do not want that on me. That kind of hurts. Don't have the range to it there. No. Okay. No. Okay. Okay, interesting wall for me. My bad. I'm gonna put this here. Okay. Okay, Dynamo got no one. Interesting. They are trying. Definitely has ult. How much? Oh, okay, that's a lot of range. I didn't put sneaky one of those up there. Okay, so this on. Oh, I do not have the movement to run. And I got this arm from Paige. Nice. Thank you. Victor still has refresh, I think. And I also have just ult again. I don't know what I just did. I'm gonna put that here. Okay. You didn't use it? Okay, I'm actually not sure if he had it. That's crazy. Just hide behind here. Okay, thank you, Dynamo. Lol, I didn't know Dynamo can heal my ghouls. That's funny. I think Apollo is kind of dead. Okay. Unless our Dynamo saves him. Okay, Victor definitely has ult. Oh, whoa. I dodged that. You are not ulting me. Okay, put this on here. Again, I don't know why I should though. But I did. Oh, I got the Mina. Okay. I think I was stuck in the wall actually. I'm not sure. It's kind of weird. Okay, I used it on the minions. W. Okay. Just okay. Or we might be able to do. Oh my god, this is juicy. Oh, that is juicy. Walking through the fire like a boss. We could get the page. Could get her. But she. Okay. Yo. Oh. Nice. Just put a wall here. Yeah. Stay back. Nice. GG. I love that the characters have voice lines if you say GG. And we got MVP. First round MVP. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm gonna just recommend. Okay, we're not playing Overwatch. Okay. See their scoreboard. Mina definitely had a lot of player damage. Yeah, the Q down. Okay. Oh, we get to play Haze. Possibly. Probably. I like Haze. I mean, she is the gun devil. I want to say demon. I don't know why it's a devil. Is it a Chainsaw Man reference? It could be. We're obviously going for a gun build. Really big fan of this mode, by the way. It's also really good to learn heroes. Of course, you need to read their abilities. Let's get extended magazine. Could get a swift strike. That's not worth it. Oh, enhanced inhibitor. Wait, now hold on. You get plus 45% weapon damage. And we're debuffing the enemies. I could reroll, get a gun, but this looks juicy. We're gonna upgrade the passive to get more stacks on damage. I mean, I don't know if it's that smart. Okay, interesting. I just thought that creep was her. The lash back. Of course they got another vector. People love his ass. They got the Frankenstein. Get some stacks up going. Yes. Okay, with that. Hold on. She definitely knows I'm here. Let me hide. I slapped her. Kinda crazy. Oh, get that Victor. Oh no. What the? Okay, Victor's on my ass. Let's melee his ass. They got out power. Did we even get? We didn't even get silver. I got Victor. Kinda late for that. Let's get slowing bullets, I guess. They have spirit. Yo, they're going also field build. What the hell? I could take the spirit, but also could take the stamina. And we get capacitor. No, or I could reroll. I'm a reroll. I should not have reroll. Honestly, vampiric burst is kind of good. No, max that out. Vampiric burst kind of good. I love it on what's his name? I don't know why I just didn't shoot. Okay, thank you for disarming me. Oh, we're gonna delete his ass. Oh, he's running. He doesn't have ult up yet. She also has this arm? I don't like this. Okay, we got the Victor before he got ult. That's a W. Got him. Oh, hold on. Sneaky ult in the back. Gonna get ulted. Let's dash into here. Get disarmed. Yeah. Okay, Silver. Come here. Oh, she's gonna get deleted. He's not getting deleted. We are getting deleted. Let's get quick out of here. We got the movement. Hey Yamato, you got this. Let her cook. Okay, Ethereal Drift is back up again. He definitely has ult. Okay, and he just... okay. See, that's why I don't like to... I should be invisible, no? Unless I'm not. Oh, we got the stacks. Okay, what is this? Where's my team, man? And they were dead, okay. And leave them alone! Also, the person I wanted to say before was Drifter. I like to have Empiric Burst on Drifter. I don't know if I like it now on him. Might have been changed. But I love that shit on him. Sneaky. Oh, let's delete his ass. He's gonna delete my ass, isn't he? I don't know why I ran. Honestly, I could have killed him. I'm almost full. Oh yeah, she disarmed me. Okay. Got the disarm out. Got his ass. Definitely did not see me go invis right here. Let's ult her ass. He's gonna ult my ass. And disarm my ass. Hello, Silver. Why is she crying in the corner? Okay, what is it? Wait, yo! Let me move. How did I not hit? Okay, nice. I distracted them. By the way, did the Lash only ult me? Okay, interesting. Okay, we got Titanic Magazine or Toxic Bolts. We already got this, so we can do it even more. And okay, yeah, we're gonna reroll. Go a little hard on Victor's ass, and we got Burst Fire. Okay, we see the 100% slide distance. That means if we slide, we can only slide, and we got rid of shit. Okay, we are cooking. Plus 1 additional target. Okay. Now I kind of wish we had Unstoppable or something, but we got good shit. We got good shit. Nash got Refresher. Let's say that out loud. It's gonna probably ult my ass anyway. My team's probably gonna be fine. Okay, I don't know where it just aimed at. Yeah, I kind of need more ammo. Or not. Kind of need weapons. I'm gonna hear something down here. There's Victor in here. Got it. No. Defend the lane a bit. Ah, slapped her ass. Let's get a little sneaky. Just whipped all of that. Got some shots on her. Almost got her. Whoa, what was that jump? W movement right there. Okay, Lash, you are not sneaky with that. Delete it. Ooh. Oh yes, ult his ass. I thought we was gonna melee my ass. Okay, nice, we got Victor. Yeah, that was my bad, I didn't slide. Forgot I had infinite slide. Could have done some more, probably. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. We can reroll to get another enhanced right here. Got Fortitude. Yo, what? 750 bonus health, I'm taking that. And we're taking the Unstoppable. Yep. Let's upgrade both of these. Yep. I think we have a pretty decent build coming up right here. We're cooking. We're cooking. What is... What? Yo, the whole team got refreshers. What are they cooking? Oh, nah. Yeah, we have to be a little bit careful here, but so are they. Because we have to destroy their walker. I don't know why I just went... Hold on, I can definitely go Killed her. Maybe kill him.
Keep throwing your lives away. I'll be ready.
Okay, could have maybe parried that. Yo, I can't see anything. Oh my god, do you hear that SMG? Might be able to. Yep.
Just wait until
Hold
I
on.
get going.
No, what? Oh, don't disarm me. Let me help y'all out here. This is so goofy. It's like playing Call of Duty or something.
Exquisite.
Yeah, disarm me. Hold on, we might be able to get her. We are not getting her. I'm burning. Oh, I sniped her ass. Hold on. Left her. Pumped over that. Holy. Don't kill me. Okay, I think I'm dead. I'm not. I'm gonna stay over here a bit. Okay, there was a heal. 42 carrying my ass. I think they got the tower, no? Thought we could get a sneaky parry there. Kinda weird. Okay, we got Juggernaut. I guess I'll take it. Alright. Okay, this is... I have to take that. And we're gonna take Lucky Shot. Looking pretty juicy here. Got a lot of advanced stuff. Let's upgrade everything. This is really sick for us. It's passive, so I don't have to press a button. And I'm gonna get stuck or immobilized or whatever. Stunned anyway. I will become unstoppable, which means I cannot get stunned after that. So I can ult, and I get a 500 barrier. And movement speed. This is perfect for Haze. Okay. We're getting sent to the Saturn room. She had like 3 bombs on her ass. Oh, I feel the Lucky Shot. You feel it too? Good night.
Oh shit, sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna help on my team. Maybe? Maybe not? I'm not sure. Okay, let's back up a little. Oh, we got ult from this guy. Okay, that does a lot of damage. You are not getting me. Yeah, okay. GG. You cannot say easy after you got destroyed after two rounds, okay? We are not getting toxic in this lobby, okay? Might have whipped a little bit on the build. Yeah, GG's, I guess. Want to see some more Deadlock? Bye bye.